everybody, I'm Dave with Family RV. Today we're going to be showing you how to set up a Dream Dinette.
The reason why it's called a Dream Dinette because it's a dinette and it's also a bed. So this Dream Dinette will have two seat belts, one on this side and one on this side, and it also has the child tether right behind the cushion right here. Now to turn this into a bed, you're simply going to remove this backing cushion. We'll set that right there. We're going to remove the other back cushion. It's Velcroed on, just like so. We're also going to lift up these cushions that are also Velcroed on. We'll lift that up right there. We'll come over here. We'll lift this up right here. Now we're going to take a look underneath the table. There's going to be a little bar. This bar is locked in right over here by this white plastic piece. To put the table down, you're simply just going to move the bar down so it's facing the floor, and you're going to push on the table down. Next, you'll get these cushions, and we're going to fill in the space to make the bed. We'll put that right there. Put that cushion right there. And this one just goes kind of like this. And there's your Dream Dinette bed. Now let's break it down and put it back up. We're going to take this cushion back off. We'll take this cushion back off. We'll put this cushion up. This one up. Then we're going to pull the table up, put both hands right here, and then you'll kind of just bring it up. We're going to come back underneath here, and we're going to make sure that the bar is locked in right there and the table is secure. And then we will place the cushions back together, like so. And you can put the seat belts through the little slots right there where they go. We'll put it back like this. Backing right there, and backing right there.
All right, that concludes our setup on the Dream Dinette. Thanks for watching our video from Family RV.